In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your project budget in Smartsheet using a project sheet. To start, open your browser and go to your Smartsheet account, then navigate to your main project sheet. This is the central place where you manage your tasks, timelines, and, in this case, your budget. Make sure you're in the grid view so you can clearly see all your rows and columns laid out like a spreadsheet. Once your project sheet is open, look for the column or section labeled Budget. This is where all of your budget-related information is stored, such as planned costs, actual costs, or remaining funds. Go ahead and click directly on the budget area you want to work with. This might be a specific row for a task, a phase of the project, or a summary line at the top or bottom of the sheet. You'll see certain cells or areas highlighted in the sheet. These highlights typically indicate where you can edit or where important financial data lives. Click on the highlighted budget cell you want to change. If you're following along with a shared template or an internal process, those highlights may have been added on purpose to guide you to the exact fields that need attention. Continue clicking through the highlighted budget fields that are relevant for your update. Think of this as moving from one key cell to the next, making sure you don't miss anything. Each click is taking you deeper into the specific part of the budget you're adjusting, whether that's a particular cost category, a line item, or a total. When you reach the cell where you need to enter or adjust a value, click into that highlighted cell and start typing. This could be a new budget amount, a revised estimate, or an updated total after a change in scope. As you type, take a second to double-check that you're in the correct row and column, so you don't accidentally overwrite a different part of the budget. Next, locate the cell that currently shows the value of $57,500. Click on that number. This is likely a key budget figure, such as a total allocation or a major cost line. After selecting it, you can review it, edit it if needed, or just confirm that it matches the updates you've made in the surrounding highlighted cells. Once you've made your changes, Smartsheet will automatically save as you go. But it's always a good idea to quickly scan the budget column to confirm everything looks correct and consistent with your project plan.